Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel Bedroom Comfort. Are you tired of feeling like you're living in a fishbowl with nosy neighbors and passers-by staring into your home? Introducing the Coavas Frosted Glass Window Privacy Film Day, the ultimate solution to your privacy concerns. This amazing product provides 96% day and night privacy, allowing natural light in while blocking outside visibility, giving you the peace of mind you deserve. With its static cling technology, installation is a breeze, no glue, no residue, and completely renter-friendly. You can feel the smooth texture of the film as you apply it to your glass surface, and the sound of water spraying as you reposition it is music to your ears. This film is not just about privacy, it also blocks 99% of harmful UV rays, protecting your skin, furniture, and pets from sun damage, and reduces glare for comfortable screen time. Imagine being able to enjoy your sunroom without the harsh sunlight disturbing you, or having a home office that's free from distractions. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's clear why it's so well reviewed. The benefits are endless. The Coavas Frosted Glass Window Privacy Film Day is a curtain alternative that's sleek, waterproof, and scratch-resistant, making it perfect for pet owners who want to reduce outdoor distractions and minimize pet barking. It's also versatile, suitable for every space, from bathroom windows to office glass doors, and sliding doors. Unlike bulky curtains, this film is low maintenance, and you can feel the difference in your cleaning routine. With this product, you can enjoy a comfortable and private living space without breaking the bank. The result is a cozy and inviting atmosphere that's perfect for relaxing and unwinding. So why settle for less? Get your Coavas Frosted Glass Window Privacy Film Day today and start enjoying the comfort and privacy you deserve. As always, links in the description. 1. Have a nice day. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.